cheesesteak roll-ups made on the Blackstone. Let me show you how I like to do it. Now, make this any way you like, but I like shaved ribeye and I like bell peppers and onions with my cheesesteaks. Come at me, Philly folk, I dare you. One thing I think we can all agree on is a tasty, delicious sauce. It amps up your food game, it amps up your sandwich, and in this case, a roll-up game. Season everything to your liking. I like that white American cheese. It just melts really, really awesome with all that steak. Now, I love texture, so I'm gonna load these tortillas up and get them back on the Blackstone so we can get some nice crispy exterior. And if you wanted, you could actually make a ton of these and freeze them. They'll last and they'll hold up really, really well. Now, I served mine with this special sauce. I hijacked the idea from Betty to use some sweet little cherry peppers. These are delicious, these are simple. This is a back to school banger. I know you're gonna love it.
The cheesesteak, why is it controversial? I know why.
Controversial or controversial?
Shul.
You're so full of shit, talking mushrooms.
Hey guys, welcome to the set. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. And right over there is the ultimate too legit to quit.
Ooh. Too legit.
Yes.
But then
I'm not legit.
I'm
unlegit.
And
so
for that
therefore,
reason, I must quit.
Exactly.
Who am I supposed to build ribs for now?
Guys, we're gonna have a fun one. Cheesesteaks made into a fun, like, easy weeknight meal. Back to school friendly, all the things. Every time the bell rings, just know, deep down inside, you are too legit.
Play this, and you'll see what it sounds like.
So come on, everyone, it's today's show.
That's the end of that.
So the cheesesteak has a lot of variables that you can play with based on the facts
According
that we
to
have
who?
seen, depending on where you're at in Philly.
Yeah, let me know in the comments.
One thing that I have found that I loved is the ribeye version. Fattier, tender, juicy, just like Ethan.
You know it.
Hello!
Hello?
Goodbye.
But I've got some shaved ribeye. This is from the grocery store over here. So why don't you guys come on over here to Veganville and
With the beef
with
in Veganville.
exactly. I got a little bit of olive oil and shaved ribeye. This is how you're gonna come in clutch with this recipe today. You could shave it yourself, but I would be hard pressed to find anybody who could shave ribeye this thin at home unless
If you do
you had a slicer.
And used to slice it so thin that it used to liquefy in the pan with just a little oil.
Now, the reason we go shaved is so we can chop it up into small bites because we're making these little wraps, kind of like a after school snack maybe, or maybe
After
even
school snack
during
wrap.
a school snack. What?
After school snack wrap.
Exactly.
Whoa.
Excuse me.
Okay with that?
Now, before we get to our sauce, let's throw down some bell peppers, some green, some red,
Okay.
and some yellow onion. Why?
Because it's Christmas.
Because it makes Greg happy.
Because it makes
Greg.
emotional Greg happy.
That was a great episode.
So this is not necessarily authentic to the cheesesteak, but to be honest with you, the
Smells
cheesesteak
glorious.
isn't necessarily made into little wraps with a little dipping sauce, which we're about to get to. So I pretty much can do whatever I want. Come at me in the comments.
I wanted it.
I dare you! Come at me in the comments. This is where the magic happens, my friends.
Is it?
I kind of think this is where it happens. I've made this sauce, this specific sauce, one other time, fairly recently, and Ethan fell in love. It's when I made the cheesesteak fritters.
He fell in love with the sauce?
Yeah, he fell in love with the sauce. He was like crazy about it. And it's,
What can I say? I'm a sauce man.
this guy's a saucy kind of fellow. We all know sauce rattles this guy up.
No.
Hey CJ, did you know? Dang it. Did you know that rattlesnakes actually go into something similar to hibernation called brumation during the cold months? And they will actually do it with other species of snakes too.
Sounds like you made that up.
Really?
Rumation?
No, I'm no.
No.
No. You think I'd lie to you, CJ?
I do think you would. We're gonna come back when we have the sauce, and we'll talk a little bit more about
Sauce talk.
all the things that make Ethan happy.
You made that whole story up. No, you started that fight. You calling me a liar? I ain't calling you a truther.
Now this sauce is beautiful and simple. We've got a little bit of Worcestershire, and then we're gonna go heavy on the Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. And this, my friends, is perfection. Speaking of perfection, let's come back over here. Let's see how we're doing.
Smells like perfection.
All right, now, okay, so this is what we're going for.
Two of the greatest aromas on the planet.
Look at this.
Beef
Look
and
at
onions.
this.
Look at this.
That's
Look at this.
what we're after. Oh, look at little nibs of beef right in there. All right, we're about ready to season that up. Let's toss our bell peppers and our onions. All right, our steak is gonna need just a minute more. And then we're gonna pull this off. And we're gonna start building.
That's it.
What do you think about that?
I think it's great.
I think this is quick.
It is quick.
Specifically for back to school quickness. You guys are gonna love this. So for our steak, we're gonna do a little cheesesteak seasoning. And of course, we gotta add a little cheesesteak to the peppers and the onions, a little salt and pepper, give that a toss. And I think we have a visitor. Boys, we've got a visitor.
Who's our visitor?
Look behind you.
Look over here. Look over here.
Oh, hey, Esty. Hi. Oh, hey, Stephanie.
Hello.
Oh, she needed help with the door.
Thank you.
We're a bunch of jerks.
I brought gifts.
Oh, what's in the box?
Oh!
They made me stand outside for like 5 minutes just now holding all this, but...
Oh, God! Oh, God!
Because it's a flavor bomb, just umami and delicious, and in my eyes,
Nice.
goes really well with a cheesesteak. It's some Worcestershire. Now, the next thing. And listen, this was a labor of love.
What?
And when I mean what, is I stood in line.
Getting cheese?
Yeah, for 30 minutes. Because there was this dude in front of me who ordered 4 pounds of ham, turkey, and roast beef, shaved as thin as you could possibly get it.
Why?
The reason I had to stand in line
Yeah.
is not just because I wanted them to cut up my cheese and it be fresh
Because
from
someone
their
else
block.
had delicious plans that got in the way of your plans.
Because it's white American cheese.
Yeah.
And it's creamier and it's Betty approved.
Cream? No, thank you. I take it black.
Bettier.
Betty,
That's
huh?
saying it.
Am I right? Am I right?
All right.
This guy knows what I'm talking about.
Oh! Do I?
I don't know if you
It's
do.
all right.
Should we dome it, Andy?
Is this just because I went to Dome University?
I earned my degree sitting at home in my pajamas.
All right, let's go to Dome Town, population this. And go for it.
Ooh, look at that technique.
Hey now. All right, so here's the deal. That's gonna need a minute. It's gonna get cheesy and gooey and yummy. Also the way Betty likes it. Am I right? This guy also knows what I'm talking about. Our dome is doing its part, my friends. The dome is working. We're steaming, we're melting, we're getting, you know what? All
What?
those 30 minutes waiting in line was worth every second of it. Because this cheese is delicious.
Cheese investment.
Bro, will you look at all the crispy edges of this steak? This is what I'm talking about. You're not going for like a medium, you're going for crispy. But once this is all done, we're bowling it up and bringing it over to our cutting board.
Bowling it up. You like that phrase, Andy?
I didn't love
I didn't
it.
like any of that.
I thought it was okay.
Thank you, and nobody cares what you think. None for Gretchen Wiener. So, now to build these, it's tortillas and you're wrapping. The technique here is don't overfill, unless you want to, which you could honestly do like burritos, larger ones,
You
that's
could.
fine. But these are kind of being
Like a ton more cheese. You can do whatever you want.
honestly, you could load this thing up and create a ton of this, but we're gonna roll these up kind of nice and tight, do little dippers. That's what I'm going for. Now,
It's like a taquito.
it's kind of like a flauta because they're flour, but you
Oh,
know, that's
what I
semantics,
meant.
right?
There's flour taquitos. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I always get flour.
Yeah, because you're smart and you buy the good ones.
That's a flauta.
No, it's not.
Corn is, I will not debate with the two of you.
You want me to Google it?
No! We're gonna put them seam side down. That's important. Sometimes I do a glue technique where I'll put a little bit of cheese at the edge there, roll it and set it down, and it'll keep it nice and tight, especially with the bigger burrito, but you don't have to. As you see, these are looking beautiful. Roll them every now and then till you get this delicious crispy exterior on
They
all
hold together
sides.
nice.
Thank you. And then, as Andy said, like a grown-up, like a freaking grown-up man.
Be a
Grown
man.
man. That's a grown man.
Be a
That's
man.
a grown
Grown
man right
man.
there. We're gonna pull these off,
Whoa.
and they are having a second to chill. Now,
I didn't
while
want one to fall, but I thought one was more fun.
You wanted one for the gram, didn't you?
I didn't want one.
You wanted one for
It would
the
have been
gram.
good.
Stephanie wanted one for the gram. She did. Let's talk about what we're going to do to plate these up. So,
let's talk
Karen just-
about it.
oh, these aren't tacos.
Taquito about
it.
See? all day, all day.
This is out of control. We got to reset here. Good gracious.
I feel good about it.
Great balls of fire.
Oh my gosh. All right, enough of the shenanigans. Let's get to plating. The sauce is going to be the king.
That simple sauce is gorge.
But the king needs a queen, and this is actually Betty approved. We're going to add some sweet peppers here.
Is this all an homage to Betty because you put all the things you shouldn't put in a cheesesteak?
Perhaps. But it plates well and it's delicious. So then we're gonna slice these on the bias. You know why? Because we're fancy. Cut them, don't cut them, do whatever you want. Either way, these are looking gorgeous. Little post dust after we do it because the post dust is a must. And my friends,
Dude, if I went to a restaurant and got this, I'd be
maybe
all
like at
kinds
a
of
like
stoked.
at a bistro or something like that.
Yeah, Applebee's, eat your heart out. Ruby Tuesdays?
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 It's Ruby
Ruby
Tuesdays. All right, so I've got Stephanie T with me here. She slid in the back door
She has her
here
own
last
opinions on
minute.
cheesesteak. Is this approved?
I mean, since they're rolled up.
Yeah.
Oh, in a
Possibly.
Right, but
But my Philly people don't hate me.
but if they were a chicken cheesesteak, that would be fine.
How does that make
Or
any
a
sense,
pizza
Stephanie?
You
cheesesteak.
know, I don't know. I don't know.
It makes zero sense. Is
That's
the answer.
why.
Sure. Colonel Cheesesteak.
I'm gonna grab, and then of course I'm gonna do a little dip here into this special sauce.
It's like a savory bomb.
Yum.
It's not a cheesesteak from Philly. It's an homage. Here's
Tons of stuff, too,
here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do. You know, I'm not even gonna dip. I'm just gonna
Oh, wow. Are those the hot ones?
sweet. You guys will love this. This is a really easy weeknight back to school meal. Kids will like it because it looks like something a kid would eat, right?
Dude, I'll,
Oh, for sure.
I'll break
They would
all the
devour
rules.
this.
All right, leave it in the comments. How did I do? But speaking of comments, it's now time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
All right, well, we are in that segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers. You may take.
Sneaky hands off the side.
You're gonna want that sauce. You might even want one of those peppers. Oh, by all means, everybody.
Okay.
No,
That's
I mean, I'm just gonna.
Oh, every last bite.
Oh, burn down the building.
had to sit, dude. I just,
Well, this is the
That's the
segment of the
testament.
show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
That
Because
we
if you
do.
guys write it,
we read it.
then we have a little bit of fun with it, and we'll see if today is a little naughty or nice. What do you think?
It's gonna be
Stephanie-
definitely naughty.
Stephanie's a lot
Naughty.
nicer than we are.
No, she plays it off nicer,
Oh no, she's way more.
but
nice
she's
than me.
she's gangster. Like, I know.
I'm from Philly.
All right, so starting from the top in no particular order, I'm gonna let Stephanie read this first one. I haven't seen any of these. SD
Okay.
sent them all to me,
No
so
idea if it's nice.
no idea if it's nice. So here we go. This is from.
Eddie Wallace 5272.
Got it.
He says, "Pretty good video. A tad bit goofy. Sometimes it's difficult to decipher what it's supposed to be. A half goofy comment or instructions on cooking."
Okay.
Huh.
I think he nailed it actually.
All right, listen up there, cousin Eddie.
Cousin.
Checking her way through when we leave here next.
You know what?
That felt a little awkward reading that. Sorry.
Yep,
Sorry.
as
Cheers,
it does.
cheers.
I'm
late today.
Oh man. Here we go.
I hope you didn't do this all on our account, Clark.
Jeez.
Yep.
Beatrice Sharp.
Beatrice?
Beatrice
I
Sharp.
love that name. I've never met a Beatrice in person.
And you never will
Wait a
after
minute.
the first 3 words that I've just seen.
Oh no.
She says, had to watch this on 2 times speed and still frustrated
I hate that name.
at the length and amount of cuts from movies and off-topic combos. Just get to the point.
Jeez.
All right.
I used to like that name, Beatrice.
That was kind of mean, Beatrice.
It was mean, Beatrice.
Just a little
It's
bit.
such a lovely name.
Whatever,
Rose
B.
petals and daffodils.
I called him a miserable old fool. Bad idea.
All right, this next one comes in from, I will let Stephanie read this one as well.
Hey.
Oh, no, did you?
No, this is just random, dude.
Let's see.
Here we go again. I'm kind of scared. But
Right.
BK Hammer 3807.
What up, Hammer Time?
I was thinking that, but I didn't say it.
Yes.
Burger King.
Oh, that too.
Have it your
BK,
way.
Have it your way.
That was
Exactly.
the joke. Yeah,
Okay,
we're on
got
the
it.
same page.
Landed here to get some new recipe ideas, not watch an clown show.
Wow.
I'm sorry.
Jeez.
It's a little gagged for you. Dang, that's...
I guess he didn't have it his
BK,
way.
I will not give it to you your way.
And that's so mean.
And it is
BK.
not your time, so we will not hammer time. And you are unlegit, so therefore you must quit.
Big callback.
That's a callback, folks.
Hey, funny guy! I got a joke for you! What smells rotten and puts people to sleep?
All right, so this one comes in from Lance Dean,
Hey, Lance. I like Lance.
the original home slice himself. You know it's going to be
OG.
nice, right? It says, props to Ethan's girlfriend. She has good taste in comments.
Thank you.
Yeah, but not in guys. What are you going to do? Okay. Ouch. Oh.
Wow.
Hello. Hello, computer. Hello.
Cheers.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you guys again. Be sure to go to griddlenation.com for this. Or no, not for this. Actually, maybe for this. I don't think so. But for some of those. Also, if you didn't know, it is a party, but you got to find the party. It's not too hard to find the party anymore.
Bit of a deep dive.
We've kind of let you know where it's at. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all of the things Blackstone
Be sure
related.
to go follow Stephanie T on all the
Go check out
platforms.
Stephanie T. Add
She
to
makes
her
us look like
millions of
beginners.
followers.
Not a big deal.
That's good.
Also, go check out all the other shows on the network. We have a ton of stuff that's going to fit for everybody. If you're the BK lovers out there and you hate me, don't worry, you might find somebody else you like.
Flame broil, bud. I choked on it.
But
Thanks,
before we
Andy.
go, if you want to put something up on the OG board, I have 2 stickers right here.
I'm coming with
We've
you.
got one from our board pork chops, and then who else do we have,
pork chop.
Stephanie?
We have something to grill with Matt.
All right, Andy, I need you to hold this up here for me.
You want me to hold
I
it?
thought you said Chappie.
Nah, I know, but he's too busy being cute, and Andy's got time to spare.
You got pins?
What about,
Andy's not
I
too
have to
busy
hold
being
them.
Oh,
here.
okay.
Exactly.
You're just gonna
He's
hold
just
them.
gonna hold those 2 right there.
Got
That's
it?
perfect. Yeah, all right. And that's how we
All
wrap
right.
up an episode of
Okay.
CJ's first cooking show.
All right.
And it turns out this is a cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right, we do. Chappie, tell them goodbye.
Hey, both these guys are in
Bye.
group.
What the-
Did you mention
Bye.
that?
Oh, no, I did
What
not.
the-
No.
Pork
Hey, we
chop?
can't hear
Pork
you.
chop,
There's a
Matt.
puppy.
Oh, yeah, the puppy's too busy being
Pork chop,
cute.
Matt Stevens,
He's
we love
making
you.
all kinds of cute
Thanks for being
noise.
a part of Griddle Crew.
Nobody
We love
cares
you so
what Andy
much.
says. Tell him bye, Chappie.
We love you.
Oh, yep, he's bored with Andy's
Oh,
voice.
yes.
All right, there we go.
man.
Can I put these
You're
down?
too cute.
Nah,
I
dude.
hate that I like it
No,
that
you
much.
can't.
Can I put these down, please?
No.
Ignore him.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first